I'm going to show you how to make a very simple single-sided paddle strop. Just going to make it a small one, so it should fit in a bag if you want to take it out with you. This is all the things you need. The only other thing I might change is this glue. It might be better to use epoxy resin glue or a specialist leather glue, it's up to you. This will work. This is just normal, what's called contact adhesive, but that'll hold it. Small piece of wood, a real leather belt. I'm just trying to make this simple for you, so anyone can make this. This is just a real leather belt. If you get leather scraps, you can make it out of that. This one's quite thick. A pair of scissors to cut it. Alright, when you do it with a wood, you can make this as detailed, as intricate as you want, as long as you want. You can shape a handle in it, everything. But I'm not going to bother doing that. I'm just going to make a simple one, so it'll work, and it'll be small enough to fit in a bag. So the only thing I've done to this leather, I don't know if you can see, but I've scored the back of it, because this is quite shiny, this side. I've scored the back of it, just hoping the glue will hold a bit better. And this bit of wood is about the same width as the belt is. You want the small portion left to be able to hold as a handle. So I'm just going to cut that there. Small piece. Put some of your glue on. And we're just going to make a single-sided one, and we're going to put the rough side up, because you won't be able to use this one, I wouldn't have thought, with the smooth side down, because this is a belt. It's been treated and it's very shiny. It may work, but I wouldn't count on it, but I know the rough side should. I'm just smearing this glue all over. Now what we're going to do is just stick that on there. And that is essentially it. What you're going to want to do though is put some weight on this, a couple of bucks or something, or if you've got some clamps to clamp it down, then clamp it down. And that is essentially a paddle strop. And if you need to trim any off the sides, then do it. I've heard of people putting compounds and pastes on these. That's up to you. I don't think you need it personally. My leather strop, what I got, I've never put anything like that on it, and that seems to work fine. You can shape this into a handle, drill a hole, that's entirely up to you, but that is essentially it. That would work. Then once it's dried, like I showed you with the other one, you just go back on yourself, giving a fair bit of pressure. Well, I do. and that's it. Small enough to fit in a bag, or just sling in a drawer, and if you went out and you lost that, you won't be too bothered. Small paddle strop. Alright, cheers for watching.